Dr. Benjamin Bol Mel's ascent to power in South Sudan has been rapid and strategically significant. Here's a detailed breakdown of his rise. 1. From business to political inner circle. Business roots. Born in Aweil East, circa 1978, Bol Mel built his career leading major firms, most notably ABMC Thai-South Sudan Construction, and chaired the South Sudan Chamber of Commerce. U.S. sanctions. His companies faced U.S. sanctions in 2017 and again in 2021, cited for alleged corruption and preferential government contracts. 2. Political inner circle and trust of President Kiir. Advisor roles. He became President Salva Kiir's financial advisor and private secretary, later appointed Special Envoy for Special Programs, December 2022. Economic Vice Presidency. In February 2025, Kiir reshuffled key officials, replacing veteran James Wani Igga with Bol Mel as Vice President in charge of economic affairs. Rapid political elevation. He was also expelled from SPLM Deputy Secretary General to pave way for his role as first Deputy Chairman of the SPLM, bringing him second in party hierarchy. 3. Strategic portfolio and reform agenda. Economic reforms. At his February 2025 inauguration, he stressed urgent economic reforms, timely civil servant salaries, agricultural development, and outreach to non-signatory armed groups. Peace and security role. He spearheaded security dialogues in Upper Nile and Jonglei, engaging white army leaders and traditional authorities to enable troop deployments and to escalate tensions. Unifying the army. He called for consolidation of armed forces under SSPDF and urged rival factions, like Mashar's SPLAIO, to cooperate. 4. Succession aspirations and controversy. Possible heir apparent. His promotions, VP and SPLM Deputy Chair, have fueled speculation he's Kiir's preferred successor. Opposition and perception. Critics question his credibility, viewing him as corrupt, lacking liberation credentials, and overly dependent on Kiir's business networks. Navigating factional resistance. Analysts note he must build legitimacy within SPLM, forge alliances, and distance himself from business scandals to avoid leadership blowback. Dr. Benjamin Bol Mel rose from private sector prominence to become one of South Sudan's most influential figures via 1. A strong business background and strategic partnership with President Kiir. 2. Key advisory and envoy posts that embedded him in government. 3. Elevation to crucial roles, Vice President for the Economy and SPLM Deputy Chair, marking both political power and potential path to the presidency. 4. A reform and peacemaking agenda that aligns with state and international goals, despite shadowed by allegations of corruption and elite consolidation. His trajectory reveals Kiir's intention to build a loyal, business-savvy successor, but Bol Mel faces significant hurdles: legitimacy within the SPLM, association with elite networks, and the fragile peace context of South Sudan.
Mala madidian we kadial chilai data the long kata dun kalkane, anchene bankaya kalarto goro bialing, kalarto banaling utama, kalara kakiwu de michale Dr. Benjamin Bol Mel, melakwaro de kapade dung esvelia. Antengora bukon bilen kukwide kati chalat kishitu okabwa de showa manugwa tavana. Latin chalat kukwide, chajala de noja noal, kata bukaja. Ta bukaja view common, a ke bukaja ka politic, bishu georgia no pet, kata jakona like. Awaja naganyam, a guanya gatka, gentaya naki janakanyam. Ramu guanya gatka mudania gano alcasa Sudan. Majan take a component to cabin, a guay letting gathan. Kajangwa de letting gat. Lada kelgan kuma sa Sudan. Malada kelgan kuma sa Sudano. Chajoja no charge sanction no wal kuma US ke 2017. And what came your sanction gaja janawa ke yo companaga ke yo kuma. Jakoi makana tongon de lat. Kan kwala kam yo kwidian ko darulat. Akana ko tu kamiladaka. Awachi yo ta chuga cham tweet la yo kuma. Wana mo kel mi sha sanction ga ke 2017 ne wo che yo kuma sa ga bicha kakora awai chukuma kakora chukuma sa Sudan nya bu kwini no kakor ka me cha sanction ka che yo kuma cha ga cham lu ga nyam awai chi Salva Kiir bu kwan ala financial advisor ka ja manager gwich karawatana ran che yo kuma te cha kama no da te lan mu der lat ka ke cha ko cham cha sanction cha ma jane dial ka sa Sudan ke dio Kachu kwari nya kabelen la financial advisor. Rame koncha mugyo kuma di ko lamban nada de nada me de ngat ke ja bibel ndako ba financial advisor. Ko kuma. Kache yo kuma cha kacha mane. ana mama ga na wajen to pe be ga ka kuma ne me to walat kuma ga ke wa ka polti ga ya Vice Salva Kiir yu kwanya la financial advisor ka ja ka kor ka me cha kwanya la financial advisor che chu te la no na me che nya bon di che balat kun nya Salva Kiir me che nya Salva Kiir me cha kun try to promote che la te la da ka mutab kwar na official ka la de ko na dat ka mutab kwar ka kor me che liap chu Salva Kiir promote che da ka by president chị làm chị này thì con này thì lát chưa có quýt chị ta na chưa có quýt chị đã có bài president cái con cái mình sẽ đã có bài president chưa liệp tin cái con anh ta mà cái phát được bài quýt anh ấy giờ này chị con này chưa lên nói chị đã có ram rau đó mình cứ lúc gọi đã có phát đấy là chairperson cái phát đấy đúng as well awan nó mọi dân ta thấy bây cái Dr. Benjamin Bol Mel dân thấy bây cái cái kuma là dân ta là nên mới đi cái kuma nó well Janawata ete tenual ramkel kanetla astanar kienete jinagam te gorio kacha bumadian noal kakatum namojan ta na ke janawa ramkel kalate lat kakatum noal ke dolte konte lost point te katum jen bot point de chala da noise icha kona je jammer but tabula da wun michale general alewa yen ne kona chi kon video de wit ne to one sig video de wit Jawa would me point there. Can a corner jammer. I ride the chalada, I ride no kajan and see a talk. Come me and a guiana la talk, and Bol Mel can a corner jammer la talk. Do no kai ride the chalat, and la de janicha corner, the jammer. Come me and a guia runka, can runka can get in there to take and in the shop. Kaji jammer point a what take a rundy and dead and dama, Morai corner. Namoanyo the general ride the chalat talk. Ajana goro dene la dia ka kui Bol Mel kata nan mbaga je wi ko am ke baga je ka polti ga chwe chuban ka pat ka chu ko di tyo ga je jep ajan pa mo go jan kenyam chanya bondi misal pa ke ma yadit jan do mon do am baga je ko ga pat ka je ga gota ti de ro ga ya tlare pe da longa tan ta dun kel ga ne mi je la ma ka mat ko bono mo goro di romatin ko di channel ma di je subscribe ki di ja gor ko ler dia lang ko na bine kangun goro de ka male je ka nyam chila te dalong dia ta male